Every meaningful community project begins with people willing to imagine a future that others might see as impossible, far-fetched, or unlikely. 6 years ago, a group of residents and the city of Stevens Point began transforming that shared vision into reality. Their efforts were built upon almost 2 decades of hope and conversation about a pedestrian and bicycle path that would connect neighborhoods on the east and west side of Stevens Point. But moving a long-discussed idea toward a shared community reality presented numerous technical and financial challenges. Through determination, vision, and a good deal of luck, we are here to celebrate the work and commitment of everyone whose hearts and hands and minds have touched this project. At the core of the Plover River Crossing Trail is the power of collaboration, a shared commitment among city staff and elected officials, nonprofit organizations, property owners, municipalities, the Department of Transportation, artists, and generous business and individual sponsors who came together to turn possibility into a lasting community connection. We hope the Plover River Crossing Trail will serve residents and visitors for generations to come, not only as a trail, but as a place to connect with the land, the river, and the stories that have shaped this area. Through ongoing prairie restoration efforts and the creative work of Native American artist Christopher Sweet and writer Kathy Caldwell, trail users of all ages are invited to reflect on the path we walk together. From the project team to everyone here, thank you for celebrating the culmination of 6 years of imagining, planning, designing, and finally building the Plover River Crossing Trail.